Let's just use, we're going to use a simple water and vinegar because of food safety. You don't want to use two detergents and things like that to make it smelly from other things, from detergents. So we are going to use water and vinegar. So for the water, I'm going to use warm water, and I'm going to mix this up a little bit so it's lukewarm. You need lukewarm. Also, I have a cleaning vinegar, so I am going to add just 1/4 cup of vinegar, and I'm going to add that to my water. I'm going to mix this water, make it a little bit lukewarm. I'm going to use a duster. So this is the way you can scrub things off, and this is the smooth one. And I'm just going to add just 1 drop, one drop of detergent, 1 drop there, because we don't want it too much. And I'm going to mix this. And as you can see, you don't see anything in here. So let's go and start cleaning right now.